Hello students, welcome to the video 7th General Science. We have reached the last chapter of our syllabus in the world of star. Now let's learn about the stars. We know that stars has their own light and other asteroids don't. So how does these stars are born? Let's see about the life cycle of star. The universe or galaxies has a storm or clouds of dust and gases that is called the nebula, and the gases and the dust particle come together to form a sphere shape due to the gravity. And when these gas particles and dust particles combine, and in the middle of that sphere hydrogen gas is trapped, and some reactions take place in the center of that sphere, and due to that sphere start to glow, that we call the red giant stars. And the life of the any star is depend on the shape and the brightness of that star. And after some time, after millions of years, the fuel inside the gas inside the sphere ends, and then the star dies, which changes into the white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole. Next is the sky watching. For that we have to understand the celestial sphere. If we standing on the plain ground, then consider a sphere around you, that is the celestial sphere, which is imaginary, virtual. And the upper part, the most upper part of the celestial sphere on your head is called the zenith, and the part just below your legs is called the nadir. In the same way, celestial equator, celestial north pole, celestial south pole, and the meridian can also be found in the celestial sphere. And with the help of this we can find the place of the different, we can observe the sky and the other stars and planets from our position. Now equator, we know that earth also has equator, and celestial sphere also has the equator. In the same way, it has north pole and south pole like earth, but this circle, this sphere is a imaginary, we just imagine this sphere. And the horizon is the point where we observe that sky and land are touching, that is the horizon. Next is the constellation. Now constellation is the group of stars, a group of stars which occupying a small portion of the celestial sphere. I told you celestial sphere is a imaginary, is called the constellation. They are arranged in some shapes, and some of the stars appear to form certain figures of animal, humans, or and object. So if we observe it carefully, that looks like some animals, humans, or objects. In the ancient Western astronomers put forward the idea of 12 zodiac sign. We know the 12 zodiac sign, you can also call it Rashi, whereas Indian astronomers suggested 27 nakshatras. We also know about the nakshatras. If we divide the celestial sphere into 12 equal parts, means each constellation is at the distance of 30 degree from each other. If we divide the 30 by 360 degree, then we get the answer 12, and there are 12 rashis, or we can call it constellation, in the space above the earth, and they have astronomical views also, and they are very important to find out the direction. Now next is the, you can see there are 12 constellations: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. These are the 12 constellation which are around the earth at the distance of 30 degree from each other. And these names like Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, these are the names given according to their shape. Means the shape of that constellation resemble with the shape of humans, object or animals. Due to that, the name of these constellations are given to them.